Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 and start earning serious cash from anywhere in the world? Today, we're diving into Toptal, a platform connecting top freelance talent with leading companies, and breaking down exactly how you can get in on the action and start earning with #EarnWithToptal. First up, let's look at project types. Toptal covers a wide range of skills. Think software development, design, finance, project management, and more. This opens up opportunities for diverse freelancers. Next, the payment structure. Toptal projects often feature competitive rates, both hourly and fixed price options. This flexibility allows you to choose projects that align with your preferred work style and financial goals and maximizes your #freelance income. Now, the key to unlocking those high-paying gigs. The screening process. Toptal has a thorough selection process, including skill-based assessments, to ensure those on the platform are capable of delivering high-quality work. Applying is the first step, then a preliminary screening, followed by technical and communication tests, a small project for your skills, and finally an interview conducted to determine your readiness for work. This rigorous process ensures that companies match with top talent, which directly leads to competitive pay rates and ensures everyone will receive fair compensation for their contributions. So, are you ready to take control of your career and start earning those rewards? Head to Toptal.com today and start your journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to elevate your freelance income. #EarnWithToptal #freelance income.